So my name is Kendra Mackey, and my friend Natalie Hogan actually introduced me to LadyBoss. She saw Kaelin's video on Facebook and tagged me in it and said, "You've got to check this out." And I did, and it was exactly what I was looking for. So,
Nice.
yeah.
That's awesome. So what was your breakthrough? When did that come? How'd that look like?
When I started LadyBoss,
Any point?
honestly, it was LadyBoss Live last year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
happened?
I was kind of just going along until LadyBoss Live, and then LadyBoss Live just. The big thing was the coaching program I joined last year. My mom and dad both had bad habits, and they both died of poor choices. And so I had enough money from my dad's inheritance to go to LadyBoss Live, and then when she offered the coaching program, I just heard my dad saying, "Do this for you because it's you got to take care of yourself. You don't want to end up like us." So.
Wow. What's it been like
Yeah.
now you've been coaching for a while?
Amazing. So I have Stephanie, who is Brandon's stepmom, I think it is, and she's amazing. Like, Kaelin knows how to match the coach with the right client, and it's just, we've become really good friends. So
That's awesome.
Yeah.
What's been your biggest surprise or takeaway from going through the coaching in particular?
well, the biggest surprise is that if something happens, we just adjust it and move on to what you need to do. Like, I just had surgery, so she was like, "All right, well, you obviously can't work out, but you can do this. You can go for a walk or whatever." So it's just, that's the thing too, is my parents never taught me healthy eating or any of that stuff. So when I heard about LadyBoss, I was like, this is what I need. Something that literally takes my hand and goes, "This is what you need to do." And yeah, that was the thing with LadyBoss. And then the coach, I was like, oh, it's somebody I can talk to and figure out how to do this and stuff like that. So yeah.
Yeah, so I work really personally with the coaching program myself too.
Okay.
So, and I talk to a lot of ladies, and I know a lot of them will tell me they feel like they can't do it. It's out of their budget, even when they know they need the change. So,
Yeah.
what do you say to someone that I'm someone that just feels like I want it, but it's just too expensive for me? What do you tell someone like that really needs it?
It may be expensive, but it's well worth it in the long run because it's an amazing program. And you don't know what you don't know until you try, and that's the thing too, is you guys have a payment plan too if you need to. I actually paid up front, but you have a payment plan. You guys are willing to work with us and stuff like that. So it feels like you have like a best friend, and I love the fact that you have Voxer. I know all about Voxer, and so when I heard about that, I was like, that is awesome, because you can't Voxer your coach in a gym. That's not an option. So I love that you get this personal touch with them. So
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
So if you hadn't made that move and you hadn't joined LadyBoss, where do you think you'd be now?
40 pounds heavier, for sure. Probably still depressed. I'm not as depressed anymore. My anxiety is a lot better. LadyBoss in general helped me get out of the depression and stuff. But coaching definitely gave me the kick in the butt, which is what I needed. And then Kaelin's motivational monthly videos have been just amazing too.
Yeah.
Like, that's a bonus with coaching for sure.
Totally.
So
Momentum
yep.
conferences?
Yes, they're
Yeah.
amazing. I don't know what the plan is when I'm done, because I don't know if I'm a renew or whatever, but I'm gonna miss those for sure. So, because I know she doesn't really do that in the regular group, so I don't know what's gonna happen.
You'll be okay, I'm sure, one way or the other.
Yep.
You're still a LadyBoss.
Right, I'm still
So
a LadyBoss.
what's been the most fun, most enjoyable part of this whole process?
The coaching or just LadyBoss and
In general.
okay. Honestly, the group with the positive women, I see women that are 300 pounds cheering on women who are 20, just 20 pounds away from their goal. Like, just seeing all this confidence and all these amazing women. And I've even noticed my mindset changes. I was just on a trip and I saw a lady wearing this swimsuit that I was like, oh, at first you're like, oh God, no, why are you wearing that? And then all of a sudden my mind went, wait a second, she has the confidence to wear this. You go, girl. It just immediately happens. So, and that's been hard. It's hard to switch your mind like that. But yeah, just meeting these amazing women too. You know, there's no pressure now. It's just we're all a bunch of women trying to do our thing, and you know, we all have our stories. So